Hi again, we are on Thursday of week 29. Question 1, 1.8 multiplied by 0.2 is 0.36. Question 2, this painting was bought for 300 euros, was sold for a 3% profit. What was the selling price? Well, 3% of 100 is 3. 3% of 300 then is 9. Selling price is 309 euros. Question 3, y, all three of them have to add up to 180, so y is 35 degrees. Question 4, 40 multiplied by a equals half of 400. So a equals 5. Half of 400 is 200, isn't it? You can also look at it in this way. 40 multiplied by 10 would be 400. So 40 multiplied by half of 10 then is half of 400. Your answer is 5 either way. Question 5, simplify 50 over 100. When you simplify it all down, it's 1/2. Question 6, double 15 and a half. I saw a few people getting this mixed up. Don't forget 1/2. If you double it, you get 1. 15, if you double it, you get 30. Then your answer is 31. Question 7, what's the height of this cuboid? Again, 3/4 of the 4 marks is 75. So that means that's 100. That means the height of the cuboid is 100 centimeters. Question number 8, a car is traveling 30 kilometers per hour. How long will it take to travel 1 kilometer? So 30 kilometers equals 60 minutes. Then 1 kilometer, you're going to divide that by 30, equals that divided by 30 is 2 minutes. It's going to take you 2 minutes to get 1 kilometer. The place value of the 4 in this number is 400,000, or in words, 400,000. People wrote it both ways. Both ways are right. It's good to be able to say it in words as well as in digits here. Question 10, x, both angles together have to be 180 because a straight angle is 180, so x has to be equal to 75. Question 11, 9y take away 2 is 70. Well, if 9y take away 2 is 70, then 9y is 72, isn't it? That means 9 multiplied by 8 is 72, so y equals 8. Question 12, 40% equals 2 over 5 equals 0.4. Question 13, 2.8, 3.1, 3.4, 3.7. You're adding on 0.3 each time, so your next number is 4 or 4.0. 4 is fine on its own. Question 14, what's the next square number after 81? We've had the square numbers in the previous day, so 9 by 9, 9 squared is 81. That means 10 squared is the next one, and that's 100. Question 15, 70% of 50, that's 35, because 70% of 100 is 70. So 70% of half of 100 is half of 70, 35. And it's saying is less than 75% of 48. Well, 75% of 3 is 3/4. That's 36. So is 35 less than 36? True. Question 16. The angles in a parallelogram, we've had similar questions before, always add up to 360. It's a quadrilateral. Has to add up to 360. Doesn't matter what shape it is. Write the fractions from smallest to largest. Again, if you look at these, 2/3, 3/6. Well, 3/6 is 1/2. 1/3, 8/9. 8/9 is nearly the whole thing, isn't it? If you had 8/9 of a cake, you've nearly got a whole cake. 1/2, we understand that 1/3 is less than half. 2/3 is more than half. So in order, then it's 1/3, 3/6, 2/3, 8/9. Question 18, 7 millimeters. Don't forget, anywhere you have milli means 1,000th, 1 over 1,000 of something. So this is 0.007 meters. Question 19, the chance of landing on a prime number is 100% because these are all prime numbers. Even 2 is a prime number. Yes, it is. It's the only even number that's a prime number, but it still is a prime number, so it's 100%. What's the chance of landing on 5? Well, 5 is taking up half of the thing, so that's 50% chance of landing on 5. And question 20, the chance of landing on any number other than 5 is a 1 in 2 chance. It's not that each one is an equal. It's not like 4 out of 5. All of these put together have the same chance as that. So it's a 50-50 chance of landing on 5 or not 5. So your answer is 1 and 2, or 50%. And Thursday's problem solving questions were a bit like that. There were spinners as well. Which spinner has the best chance of landing on a 7? A. See it there. And question 2. Write the chance as a percentage of each spinner landing on a 4. Here the 4 is 25%, one quarter. Here it's 50% because it's 1/2. And here it's 1/10, so it's 10%.